Troy belt, 179cc. Customer says it will not start. We checked the oil, and it is low, and it looks a little off. So we're going to drain this and see what it looks like. I just want to see it come out and see what it looks like. It's definitely a little bit runnier than it should be. That's for sure. So basically what's happening is the carburetor is bad. It is filling up with gas and going into the crank and filling up with the oil, mixing with the oil. And that is why it won't start over. So we're going to clean the carburetor. We're going to put a new spark plug, fresh oil, and let her run and see what she does. All right. So all that being done, good to go.